How to fix CIBC Bank app if it is not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your CIBC Bank app if it is not working. So sometimes if your app is not working, it may be due to various different reasons. So in this video, we'll go through some of the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you got to make sure is the CIBC servers are running normally or not. You can simply check it online, and once you've made sure the servers are running, next thing you can do is basically check if you have a stable internet connection or not, as CIBC Bank app is an application that requires a stable connection to work. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now the third thing you can do is restart your phone, and if you're on an Android device, you can also try to clear the cache memory or simply uninstall and reinstall the app. Now once you've done that, also make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as some of the features and fixes will not work if your app is not updated to the latest version, so make sure you have that on. And once you've done all of these, your problem will be solved in most of the cases. But if your problem is still there, you can always try contacting this number right over here, and they will be able to help you with the problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.